Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the tense present tense, past simple and past continuous. This is a revision. Present simple and continuous. We had already talked about the present simple, that we eat apple, and we can also give example. We are talking. We are in this slide. We can also give example. Bobby does not go out. Do you like cartoon? This is present simple. We actually say that it is a use of first form of a verb. Present continuous, and if you remember, we discussed in last lecture that in present continuous we use the use of am, are, and the ing, addition of ing with the first form of verb, like I am eating. He is writing an important letter just now. Are you using the computer at the moment? This is a questionnaire, and this is a use plus ing. This is a simple. This is a present continuous tense. So the past simple. Past simple, we actually use the second form of a verb, like say. The second form of say is said. And stay, the second form is stayed. So you can see here, this is a regular verb. I, you, he, she, it, we. I stayed in a hotel. This is the second form. It means मैं होटल में रहा. This is the talking about the past thing, that I stayed in hotel. I went on holiday. Went, it's a second form of a go. Did you stay? That did. Use of did. The most important thing is the difference between the simple questionnaire tenses. In that tense we use do or does, and in this tense we will use did. Did you stay? But don't forget that when we are writing a did, then we will definitely use first form. Definitely use a very important thing, that when we are adding, when we are using a did and making a questionnaire of past tense, then we will definitely use a first form instead of second form of a verb. So, do you go on holiday? That's a did you go on holiday? That's also a questionnaire of past simple tense. So this is the past simple, like infinitive. It's a work, stay, like. Work is the first form, work is the second, stay, stayed, like, study, studied, stop and stop. You can also make practice, and I will give you an assignment in which you have to memorize some different forms of verbs. That's a past simple. It's a infinitive, past, past participle. Like three groups of irregular verbs. It's a hit, and put, tell, told, sell, sold, wake, woken. These are all very different forms. Take, took, taken. These forms have no any rule and regulation. There is no any usage of rules and regulation in these verbs. So we call them as a irregular verb. It's a past continuous. It's very simple, that we just use was instead of am, are, etc. We will use was, and the same thing like in a present continuous, that we will add ing, but don't forget, here we will use first form plus ing, but we will use was. He was, I was, you were. And if we are talking about you, then we will not use you was, then we will definitely put we were. We were eating, we were learning, we were staying, and we were waiting. That's a past simple, a past continuous. When I took the photo, they were writing a song. This is past simple also. You can see here that when I took the photo, took is the second form, so this is a past simple. This is a simple past. but they were writing a song mean that it is the using of was, were and addition of ing with the first form, so we can call it as they were writing a song mean it's a past continuous tense. This is a mixed one, that it's a simple, past simple and past continuous. You can also go through in the more example also. This is past simple, I took the photo and they were writing a song, they were waiting, so all these you can do. So this is our simple presentation. I am talking with you with a very simple tenses, with a very simple example. So in inshallah next lecture we will definitely learn about other types of tenses. Thank you.